Hey guys, welcome back to the Anything Goes Project. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be looking at a couple of natty slingshots that I made yesterday. You saw a short right there of me going through and putting the tung oil on it. So the first one we've got is going to be this one right here. Look at the grain work on this. Okay, man, this is a beautiful piece. This is actually made out of crepe myrtle. It is really durable and really sturdy. It's been drying out for about 2 years, and I would say it's every bit as hard as an oak slingshot. So, and then the next one I have up is actually oak, made of red oak. And we're going to be, I'm not actually going to be shooting this one. I made this one for my nephew. So you can actually see the bands are a lot narrower than the bands I would have on mine. The bands are actually cut 3/8 to 1/2 inch taper, and it's so he can actually get a good pull on it. He tried pulling on mine yesterday, and it was just a little bit too much for him. So let's get right into it.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
Okay, we're back. This is Mike with Anything Goes Project. This is nephew Luke. Show him your new slingshot you got. It's pretty cool. So what he and I are actually going to be doing are shooting at a target. He's not proficient at it. He hasn't been shooting. And here comes a car. So the drinking game is drink every time a car goes by. So anyway, I'm just going to be doing a little bit of instruction with him and getting him to shoot at those targets. I don't know if you can see them in the thing. Yeah, you can see them over there. Those targets. We're not very far from it, but I want him to be able to hit something. So with that, we're going to go ahead and get right into it.
I'm not very good at it.
Don't worry, you will be.
But I am at a small BB gun.
Practice. There's my other can up here. Okay, so we're going to have our, we're going to be using clay shot today, again, because I can drop them around in the yard, and I don't have to worry about them with the lawnmower picking them up. So, you got pockets on your pants?
Yeah.
All right. Put these in your pockets.
Those are bigger than the other ones.
No, they're the same ones.
Really? I don't remember them being that big.
Yep. So now you got a bunch of shot in your pocket. Now, remember what I showed you yesterday. When you're holding your slingshot.
I already dropped one.
Well, reach in your pocket and get another one. Now, the way I did your bands, I want you to notice. See how the top is red?
Mm-hmm.
You see how the bottom is orange?
Mm-hmm.
If you see orange when you're pulling back, it means your band's twisted. Red means go. See how it's all red right now? If you were to actually see it and it had orange on one side, no, you need to not do it or you're gonna hit your hand or something. So now you should be able to pull this one back. Remember, stand correctly. Okay, where's your target? Point at it. Over there. Now, when you pull back, where's that need to be pointing when you pull back? Down. You know why? Because if this band breaks, would you rather it hit your hand or your face?
Hands.
So you pull down first, turn your head, look at your target, now bring your arm up. Bring that back to your anchor point right there. You can pull this one back, can't you?
Yeah.
Shoot it. Look at that. You didn't hit the target, so now you got to adjust.
I still got 0 points though.
Yep, that's okay. That's okay.
It was a little
0 points is better than nothing. So anyways, guys, this is what we're doing today.
Zero is nothing. 0 is nothing.
Not really. 0 still has a value. Okay, my turn. All right, go ahead. Shoot it again.
You got 5 points.
Yep, I got 5 points. You shoot at the other target on the other side. That way we got 2 different targets we're shooting at. Up, missed. Do it again. Teach them while they're young. Okay. Remember what I told you about using that corner? Bring it up. that corner, line it up in the middle of your target, and then now you just move up and down to adjust. Get that arm all the way back. There you go. Look at that. Boom. You got 3 points on that one. You were right on the 5-point line. Now do you see about using that corner? Okay, do it again. 20 points.
That was such a small target too.
20 points.
That was such a small target too.
Your turn. Get it where you all the way back, around your cheek. There you go. Line it up on that corner. Well, it's my target, but you still got 5 points.
Yeah, I still don't.
Keep going.
I meant to hit that one. I meant to hit the other one. I mean to hit the other one.
You meant to hit the other one? Well, here, I'll hit yours for you real quick.
I meant to hit yours.
There, I hit yours. Okay. Get it all the way back. Get to your anchor point. Nope. Where's your anchor point? Right there. Yeah, you know what you're doing right now? Why it's shooting off that way? Look at how you're standing. Your body's turned. So bring this leg up here. Stand straight to where your target, you're pointing at it, is over here. There you go. And the only thing you turn is your head, not your whole body. When you turn your body, it's going to try to shoot that way. You see? Do you get it?
I get it.
Remember, over the top, and if your bands are twisted, you'll see orange. All right. Okay, see how I'm standing? Pull, bring it up.
Just gotta aim a little more that way.
Yep.
Always.
Yeah, you don't try to turn your body to do that. You just kind of line yourself up with it like this. And you point at it with that top corner. Point at the target with that top corner. Okay? Ready? And good job. 3 points.
I got 6 points in total.
6 points in total.
Actually, I think I have more because I got 5 points too.
Okay. Yeah, you got 5, 6. That is 11. All right, let's do it again. So guys, just remember when you're shooting this, safety is a must. Be cautious of everything that is around you and stuff like that. He's got siblings and they're all at the house right now. We don't want them running out in front of it. But go ahead, shoot, buddy. I can talk all day long. So here he goes. See, can he do it? Can he do it? Boom! What'd you hit?
3.
3 point?
Again.
I mean, he's getting it now. All right, let's do it again.
I hit 3 again. Why am I still hitting 3?
Here, let me get over here.
I'm still hitting 3.
All right, you ready?
It either went completely through or it bounced off.
Oh, it went all the way through. I hit 10 points on that one. All right, ready? You gonna watch me again? All right, have at it. Three points, good job.
I still get 3 points.
Well, hey, you hit 3 points. You still got it.
I know.
Keep going.
And I did hit a 5.
You got a 5. All right. I'm gonna shoot at your target now. I got 10. Straighten that up. Straighten that up. Try to get this wrist straightened up. That's why you're pulling to the left. There you go. Hold that out there like that. Line it up where you want it, and then release. Look at that. 5 points. Because when you're doing this, okay, when you're pulling back and you're letting it come back to you like this, that's how you keep it. When you do this right here, that's going to throw it way over here or over there or something like that. You want
Ryan, get back on the porch.
you want to hold, don't worry about them. You want to hold it good and firm, like lock down on that sucker, okay? Until you start learning how to actually hold it and to get the strength to do it. All right, let's do it again.
There's a nail on my shoe.
I'll do one too.
Which one did you hit? I didn't
10.
see. Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at your target. Look down the side of your band. Top corner. Let her rip. Look at that. Still hit the cardboard.
I'm hitting the
I don't, now, you don't get discouraged or anything and expect to be hitting bullseyes right off the bat. It takes time to learn how your slingshot pulls.
I know. I wasn't a master at the steel BB gun my first shot either.
All right, ready? Here you go.
I heard something buzz.
3 points. All right, did it.
Was that like a wasp? Or...
I don't know what it is. Joseph is playing on his trumpet right now.
I heard something buzz. Like a buzz.
Keep going. Let's do this. Yes, this will be on YouTube. You're going to be YouTube famous.
What? You don't get YouTube famous.
Shoot
for just one
it.
video.
Awesome, dude.
Did I hit something?
Yeah, you hit the 10.
I hit the... Oh.
Right above mine.
That's a first.
Look, you hit right here because it didn't go all the way through. You hit right there.
That's cool. That's a first.
All right. Do it again. Okay, guys, and for any of y'all watching, these were made out of stuff I trimmed out of my own trees.
I have 9 shots left.
Huh?
I have 9 shots left.
Shoot them. Shoot all 9 of them. They like watching this kind of stuff. Anyways, crepe myrtle tree is over there. That's where this one came from. Oaks, I've got them all over the place, so that's what we're using on that.
I like to
But-
climb on that dark oak.
Cool. Do it. Here he goes. Look at that. Good job. Lower it down a little bit and you're going to be right on the target again.
I am much better at the BB gun though.
All right. Both going to do it at the same time. Ready and... You know where you hit? You hit right here. That one right there. That's where you hit.
So close to the 10.
Yep, right on the 10 line. So yeah, if you're gonna make natural slingshots, you want to use a fork on a tree because that's where all the strength and stability is on the branch. And even though this is a crepe myrtle, which aren't known for being really hard trees, once it's dried out, you're not gonna budge it. So yeah, natural forks, great for making little natty slingshots. Show them yours again. There's a little oak one.
He said it was made from red oak.
Yeah, red oak. And this one was made specifically to fit his hand. It's a little small in my hand, but hey, we do it. All right, ready to shoot again? You got 9 more to go. Boom, 10 points. Right in the middle of 10. Okay. Boom, 3 points. Good job. 20. Keep going. Come on, dude. I've been shooting a lot longer than you. I know how to do it. You'll get it.
I'm sure I have at least over 10. I'm sure.
Oh, you have more than 10. All right. Get that, straighten that slingshot out. Get it to your anchor point. And corner, and then lower it if you need to. Don't lean your head back. So you're leaning your head back. Keep your head straight. See, watch me. Look at me. Pay attention to me. Okay? My body is parallel to the target, right? So when I point, I'm pointing at the target. Okay? The only thing I'm going to do when I draw is I'm going to point it down, bring it up. You see my head turns? Not my body. My head turns. Elbow is up. I bring it up, line up, and then pull the trigger. It's just like archery. The same stance and everything. You're using that elbow, getting it back here, get it to your anchor point, and then release. Okay, try it again. Turn your body parallel. Get in your position. Feet shoulder width. Okay. Turn your head. Turn your head all the way. And look down that look with your right eye. Look down that band. That's probably what you're doing right now. Okay, I'm wondering if you're left eye dominant. We're going to try something. Okay? Turn this way. Turn this way. Hold it with that hand.
This hand?
Yep, that hand. Right there.
I'm not left-handed.
It doesn't matter. It has to do with your eye, though. Okay, go ahead and load it up.
I lost one.
That's okay.
I
I got plenty more. Load it up. I never did check your dominance on your eye. Get that thumb up there where it goes. Nope. No. Where do you need to? Body. Turn. Hold it down. Pull it up.
I am definitely not left-handed.
Nope. I know. So that's how you're going to hold it, just like that. Okay, bring it. Bring it up like that, and then bring your arm out. That way you're at your spot. Now shoot. That was way over. Okay, switch it around. You just got to get your, learn how to get it. So that one was like way over.
I got 2 shots left.
That's all right. I got more. Here you go.
Ah! Why am
I keep a baggie of them. Alrighty. You overshot that one. Lower it some.
I'll lower it.
Are you looking through the middle of the forks or at that top fork?
Top fork.
Then I'll lower it then. Put the look at that. You hit 20.
I hit 10.
No, you hit 20.
I hit
You went right through my hole.
I saw the ball.
Okay. Well. Let's keep going.
Next time we're going to do the BB gun.
I don't have a BB gun.
I have a BB gun now.
You'd have to talk to your mom about that one.
Okay.
So, okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and continue on shooting. If you like what you're seeing today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, share the video, like it, comment below, especially if you're actually out there teaching some of these young kids how to do this. Luke, let's give them a thumbs up. Right on. Let's do this. Yeah, I almost forgot. This channel's all about EDC and stuff, and I talked about EDC in these Slingshots. Well, great. What's in our pocket today? First up, I got Benchmade. Well, my finger's in the way. Benchmade bug out. You can kind of see. This one is, I love this knife. So lightweight. And one action. My fingers aren't working today. There, that's better. All right, and then I've got my Olight. This is the i5 EOS. And a lot of good it's going to do me out here right now, but it was in my pocket. And then, of course, I've got one of my Wild and Free man hanks, or man shit EDC, a handkerchief, basically for like cleaning my glasses and everything. Works really good, cleaning off my electronics and stuff like that. Link for those will be in the description below. So with that, guys, now I'm out of here. Bye.